All right, here we go. August 20th, 12:44, 15 minutes left in the market. And here's the monstrosity I've created today. So a couple things. We're close to 5,600. 5,600 is right here, and I kind of maneuvered. Before I had that on, I had this. And then I realized that 5,600 is right there in that valley. I was thinking that's not very good. I mean, big round numbers, I mean, who knows? But they have a tendency to kind of, or I've seen them pin, or a lot of people think they pin at big round numbers, more so than others. So anyway, so I put this trade on, and that gave me some risk in the position here. So if I were to take that off, I sold that for 380. If I were to take that off, I could wind up with a position like this, no risk at all. $65 worst case scenario. But I mean, you know how I roll. Come on, we got to have a little action here going into the end. But I'm going to keep an eye on that. Let's see if I take one of these off, what happens. I don't get that much more. I mean, I wonder if I should just take the profit now, or man, 330. Am I going to get 330? Am I just messing around? I don't know, but I hope the suspense will last. Okay, so I'm just going to put this. I'm going to put some music on. Let's put on the pin music, our pin music. And we're going to take this into the close and see what happens. So if it pins there at 5,600, I could make up to like 750-ish. If it comes out here and crashes right into that canyon, I could lose 190 unless I do something first. My first reaction would be to get rid of one of those like that. Or maybe both. If I just take both of them out, I have no risk whatsoever. But $49 isn't that exciting. I mean, that's nothing to write home about. So we got 15 minutes left, so I'm just going to let this thing sit here and play. See if we can pin at 5,600. I'm going to think real hard, use the power of my mind. Tony Robbins. I took a long time ago, I took the Tony Robbins course, The Power Within. I'm going to try to utilize some of those things I learned. I can't really remember them, but I'm just going to focus really hard on 5,600. Come on, lucky 7. I'm going to turn the music up a little bit because I'm going to be eating some ice. I don't want to hear I don't want you to hear me chewing. I mean, that's so annoying. I hate it when people chew ice in here. I just can't handle it. The stress is getting to me. I need to do something. I need to drink a little pre-market closing cocktail. That sounds like famous last words. My brother's hilarious. He could have been a great comedian. He is a comedian, but he could have been famous. He had this book idea, Famous Last Words, and they were hilarious. He had like a collection of 100 little sayings that were just totally hilarious. I'm going to see if I can find that, and I'm going to publish it. I'm going to publish it under the Boomer Dan brand. Famous Last Words. They're great. Okay, come on. Let's get serious. So it looks like we're coming on 5,600. We're staying in there. So this final trade I put on, I sold for 380. I could buy that back for 360 now. That's my plan. If things start to go haywire, I'll try to. But we're looking okay right now. The most we can lose on the outer edges is 225. I don't see us getting there. But these little valleys here, these valleys right here, 100 and like 200-ish. That's not very responsible of me to like leave those like that. I feel ashamed. Should I just do the right thing and do this? If we pin at 5,600 though, that's just a measly, well, it's getting bigger as I'm able to buy this back, this this iron butterfly back that's rising, so that's cool. See if I were to just do one, maybe something like that. Maybe that's the responsible thing to do. Just try to get like an extra $100 out of it or something. I don't know. We got 11 minutes. Oh, we're kind of making a move. What's going on? Settle down. Oh, it's that 1250. Denny, it's that 1250 gap. And there's one at 1255 too. Watch it, you guys. Put up the 5 minute. And then, here, I'll try to pull it in real quick before it fills. Take a look. See it there? Look at that gap. It's in the middle of the day. That gapped up like that. You see it right there? It's filling in now. At 12:55, we'll do the same thing. Denny had the answer to what that was. Some sort of like reporting or something comes out at the end of the day. Okay, so we're looking good. We're kind of in the middle of that tent there. Don't go crazy. You want to settle in at that big round number, 5,600. Oh, Captain Al is typing on my Discord. Okay, we're at 5,600. So we're looking. I'm becoming addicted to this Discord thing. I've never been on Discord, and then I just open up a Discord, my first Discord, and now I'm addicted. Trying to find. I'm putting up inappropriate GIFs, memes. Oh, it was terrible. I apologize for anyone who saw those. Okay, we're looking good. So our iron butterfly is getting less and less expensive, so I may just buy it back at a certain point and not try to mess around with that risk in those valleys. Yeah, I'd feel like a real idiot if this thing just took off and dove right into that valley, like a high dive right into there or there. So I'll probably chicken out and buy one of these back, raise up all that risk so there's like barely any risk in the tip there. But we're still looking pretty good. We're still 5,600. Should I pull the trigger and get out and like release some of this? We got 7 minutes. Ooh, we're heading down a little bit. I don't want to screw this up. I mean, I could just commit, like fully commit, and just say I'm not gonna touch it, and then just risk that $200. I feel like a real idiot, though. We got a lot of profit ground on these. Maybe if I put this order out for something ridiculous, maybe I'll get lucky. Let's just say I'm gonna put it out there for 3. $295. Things get a little haywire here at the end, and like weird orders get filled. So I have it at $295. It's ticking at 380-ish. Let's see if we can get lucky. Okay, the red number just showed up. We have 5 minutes. You can see it right up here where my mouse is. 4 minutes, 52 seconds. Okay, I can buy this back for 350-ish. Should I do it? That'll give me a prop in that top of 450. Maybe once I can hit 500 in that thing. Oh no. Are we heading down? Come on, back up. Blow on it. It's 5,600 for crying out loud. It's a big round number. Come on. Don't tank into the close. Oh, now my Thinkorswim stopped working. You jerks. I don't know what to do. I'm frozen. I'm like a deer in the headlights. Analysis paralysis. Oh, it's going back. We could do 5,600. We got 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Come on, baby. Don't fail me now. I mean, I tried to widen this out so that, like, I've seen it pinned at big round numbers, but also like within the range, like at a 5-point range within the big round number. So this last one I put on, I tried to cover that area. So our danger's at 55.90 and 56.10. Oh shit, what was that? Oh, that was that crazy order just got filled. 295. All right, well, I guess that settled that for us. So now we have this on. Look at that. So we have no more risk. I was going to watch that pin, but that's fine. Forgot I had that order on there. I just put that crazy price out there, and let's see where it's at now. So I have one more of those on. Oh, it's still at 350, so that could have been like a weird glitchy fill. I bet it was. Like, things get really weird here at the end. Like, fills get filled that you would never think. Okay, so now we have this flat ledge that we're working with where we can make up to 480. And that's like that's a 10-point range. And all risk is gone, except for on these outer edges. There's $20 down here, $20 here, but everywhere else, there might be a little tiny bit there. Just my luck, it'll probably go right, it'll nail it right there. Now that looks good. So I'm just gonna let it run. If I were to take this one off, what would that look like? Yeah. We could make up to 650 there. But I'm gonna relax, eat my popcorn, and watch this come in. Come on. We got 1 minute, 20 seconds. Come on. I'm feeling good about this. It's kind of nice to have that nice flat. It looks like the Devil's Tower there. Like, it's not as stressful as trying to go right to that tip of those pins. But still stay in there. Stay in there, price. Blow. We got 49 seconds. Watch it go down to 55.90 and give me the worst. So 55.96 is where it's at now. We're gonna pin it 56. Oh shoot! I think Steely needs to be 5,600 or above. Go on up. Blow it. We got 21 seconds. Stay in there. 13 seconds. Steely's typing. I think that means it's like bad news. Okay, there's the bell. And we finished right there. Right there. So the pin on, I mean, the pin, the settlement on this is at 5597. So the blue line there is what I got. So I wound up with 480. Not too shabby. I like this trade. All right, that's it for this one. Tune in tomorrow for another one. And if you'd like to follow me on these trades, just make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel below. Hit that subscribe button. Also, join me on my website. Head on over to my website. I'll leave a link to my website in the description below. Head on over there, sign up for my free email newsletter, and then I'll get back to you and we'll go from there. See you tomorrow.